Good morning. Travis here with C3 Project Pros. It's me alone today. Cordell's busy over on his side of the world. I had one question this week for an AMA, and it's why should they invest in this course? To me, it's just very simple. As our tagline says, is we bring clarity to the chaos of construction, and we believe that. We've done successfly lots and lots of projects over the last 30 or so years, and myself and Cordell 20. Um, and I think what we break down the best for you is number one, we prepare you for two things. One, to manage your own project. That's the key to this whole course. And we also say that if you do get project overwhelmed, because there's a lot to it, and decide you want to hire somebody, I still think you're going to have your value out of this course simply because you're going to be the most prepared consumer on the planet. You will have a firm understanding of what's expected of you, what's to be expected of you, even if the contractor you hired does not have this type of system in place. But I'm going to focus on you managing your own project. We teach you how to find contractors, how to communicate with them, how to let them know that you are going to speak their language and are respectful of their time, which is one of the biggest obstacles, if you will, for finding subcontractors, because subcontractors as a whole, and I say it, it's one of my secrets, is they don't really like working directly for the homeowner because they're indecisive, no respect for time or budget, things like that. We help you overcome those obstacles specifically in the pre-construction phase. We break down that phase really in detail, and that's the system and flow that we follow, and that's how we are able to compress time. And compressing time when you're in a renovation project or even a new build, depends if you have a construction loan or not. When you start borrowing money, you're paying interest on it. So the longer a project drags out, the more interest you're going to pay. So if we can collapse or compress time and have it such that you can get your project done on time, on budget, it's actually going to save you money in the long run. So a couple other key points in here are the checklist as you're going through things, looking through those. And of course, we look forward to, we think they're comprehensive, but we're around for you through our AMAs, through our, bi-monthly chats, if you will, likely to expand those to weekly chats. But certainly email us with any questions. We have the project rescue, or if you call us, we can get on FaceTime and answer specific technical questions for you, and get you guided in the right direction. I think Cordell and I are both very skilled at catching the proverbial fastball, if you will. You set the dominoes up, and I'll use a game that Laura and I like to play. We like to play a game called a Rummy Cube, where you can rearrange the board. It's kind of like Rummy with the dominoes on the board. You could rearrange them to complete your hand, as long as all your chips are still back on the board. And I think that construction is a lot like that, where you've got a great schedule, you got things going on, and a hiccup happens, and you got to reorganize. And I think we've done very well at reorganizing that in a manner that makes sense, and being respectful of people, on keeping people on track, on time, on budget. And I just think that that would be a good help for you. So I hope this helps. Felt like I rambled a bit there, but at the end of the day, like I said, we bring clarity to the chaos of construction, heavy emphasis on the pre-construction phase, and we're here to answer your questions. I hope this helps at all.